Hi guys, so I was supposed to get this box. Got two of them. One came today, one's coming tomorrow. So let me put my Amazon. So I didn't know that. So I'm just trying to figure out how to open this box, guys. This is for my husband. I just don't want to show you guys my address or anything like that, because that's one thing I don't want to show you guys. These binders, by the way. I always double check, see if I got all four in one box. So I'll be getting another set of these tomorrow. So I'm gonna put these over by me. So give me a minute. Let me just do them real quick. So guys, I'm going to, if you get a box like this, and guys, I need to check, and inside will look like that. I'm just covering my information, okay? So, I'm going to take this out. Oh, I will take it out in the morning. Be right back. I'm going to check them out, so I'm all the way back. The mailbox will be passing from it, and then my boxes. And this complex is 16 units. It's hard for me to stand right now because when the weather bad, like, to stay in one place, I have trouble. If I keep on moving, then I could actually do what I need to. But 99% of the time, I have to keep my legs down because in pound of the weather. It may look good on one part, but give me a minute. Toss this. When the clouds like that, so the clouds are, and I could feel when the weather is changing. Like right now, I feel like it's gonna rain. Right now. And it's hard for me to walk today. It's been like that since 3 this morning. And I don't like it. And then it's hard for me to do a lot. So, but with those binders, I'm going to wait until the other one, so I might do this Thursday morning to actually put it together. I'll show you guys how I do it. So, until tomorrow, I'll be doing it in the video. Okay? Otherwise, see you guys soon. Bye.